So, in the next activity, you are going to be asked to make your own map using the map key that's been given to you. And I just want to make sure we know how to use our Nearpod tools to do this. So, we're going to kind of do it as a class first. You're just going to watch, and then in the next slide, you're actually going to be able to create your own map. So, you're going to see on the side here, it says use the map key and add these items anywhere on your map. All right, so first we're going to draw two lakes. And I know from my map key that it needs to be blue. So I'm going to go down to my pen tool. I'm going to choose blue. And then on my map somewhere, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw. All right, there's my one. I'm going to fill it in. Okay, and you'll have a bit more time so you can really fill yours in, but I'm kind of doing mine fast. So I have one lake. Now maybe I want to do another lake over here. All right, and I'm going to fill it in. Now we know that the blue may not match. That's okay. As long as you have it blue for water, you're good. I'm going to go ahead and check that off so I know I've done it. Now I'm going to add 3 rivers. All right, so I'm going to know my rivers are going to be more narrow, almost like just a straight line. So there's 1, there's 2, and let's see, let's do a third one right here. And maybe I want to make it so it goes all the way over. You can make it however you want. So now I have 3 rivers. I'm going to go ahead and cross it off. Our next one is draw a mountain range. So that means a group of mountains. So I'm going to look at my map key and I'm going to see, my mountains are indicated by black triangles. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my black. I can also make my point bigger or smaller. So maybe for this one, I'm going to make it a little smaller so I can really draw those triangles. And now I'm going to add my mountain range. So maybe I want to start here. There's a triangle. Maybe another one. Another one. Okay, so you're doing that group of mountains. All right. You could add it as big of a mountain range or as small. I'm going to go ahead and cross it off. And now I'm going to draw 3 forests to your map. Okay, so I know that green is my forest. So I'm going to go ahead and find a green. And now I want to have 3 separate forests. So maybe I want to do one like that goes, and you can see my drawing is not very accurate, but do the best you can. We'll understand. So there's one forest. Maybe I want to have one on the other side of the river. I think that would look kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and add another forest and color that in. And then I need to do one more. Maybe I want to have one down on the end here and color that in. All right. And then I'm going to check that off. And when I am finished with that one, I can then go ahead and hit the submit button at the bottom, and it will get sent to my teacher. If you have any questions when you are drawing your map, just raise your hand and your teacher will help you. But I wanted to make sure we knew how to use those tools. You could also use the highlight tool if you find it easier to color in with. Okay, so you use what you think is best and go ahead and create your map of your own island.